Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka United Democratic Party uba met ba lingdo. Uloong ba kaseng kadang Shong ban Pyrkhat ha ka bayde bat ka Tiket MP siya ka Lok Sabha na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Uba met ba lingdo uloong ba ya ka Nabynta badang ya ka dorban mang tingka kimpat yo kalat banyakren hakini kita yo banwan kaseng kan saya Shong Pyrkhat na Nabynta ka Tiket MP. Ha ka bayde ba ka Tiket siya Ghadc uba met ba uloong ba yaki kertong kaseng kampat yo banjit ya kinu ki bala ban penyeng ha ke election ke banwan henrei ha kita yo banwan kaseng kan sakot ya kinong yalam na rilum garo na kaseng UDP bat kinong yalam kaseng UDP na rilum khasi banya Shong Pyrkhat
discuss in the party. So party has to first sit, but because of this ongoing assembly session, therefore we will not be able to push the day that meeting. So first session we will definitely meet as a party and discuss the way forward about this application.
So, when is the UDP going to come up with the list of candidates for the Garo Hills District Council?
Same thing for that also. So now we're too busy with this. So post session only. Sometime next week, maybe before that, then we will try to.
But you will be surely putting up.
That's what I'm saying. We'll meet first and then we will take a decision.
So, party is yet to decide whether to contest or not to contest.
Yeah, first of all, that is the.
But
First of all, we have already set as a meeting before the election, before the session. So, but we felt it would be appropriate for us to take all the friends from Garo Hills to see what is the best thing for us to do for this 26 GHC district election. So they are meeting as a party leaders from there, from Garo Hills, and with some of the leaders from here. And they're doing some exercise to see how we come up with a decision for contesting the election. So
you have constituted or formed a committee comprising of the Garo Hills leaders.
yeah.
And have they submitted that report? And what does that report indicate?
No. It's not the report. It's basically we have adjusted to the party leaders who are looking after the entire Garo Hills area, and they are going to sit and discuss about it. And once the assembly session is over, we will meet together and see their views and opinions to go ahead or not with the GSC.